Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to the More Analytics Afternoon S&P 500 Gold and Bitcoin podcast for December 22nd, going into the 23rd. We're going to start off with the S&P 500. We've been bullish overall from 3502. We've rallied 3,486 into the bull trend. A lot of other bullish calls in here. More recently, the trade above 68.1575 has brought in a trade up to 69.3625, although I did not suggest leaning against that as a long. And then the trade above 68.39 has brought in trade up to 69.36 We had also, previous to that, held exhaustion with the 65.25 low and bounced 463 with today's edition as well from the lows. I'm sorry, that was prior to making this pullback up there. Tomorrow has a good likelihood of seeing range expansion. A maintained gap lower tomorrow will leave a minor bearish reversal above. And decent trade below this formation right here, which is going to come in at 68.3116. Last 25 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, in the gold, tomorrow has a good likelihood of seeing range expansion. Maintain gap lower tomorrow. We'll leave a minor bearish reversal above. Made all-time highs again today. We've been bullish overall since August 16, 2018 from 1183. And we had seen 3,269.3 coming into today and a bit more than that up to 44.8440. A lot of other bullish calls in here along the way. More recently, on a lower time frame basis, the trade above 39.7320. I brought in 479.8 into today, and then this additional piece here, a number of other calls here as well, and the most recent break above 43.6940 has brought in the trade up to these highs. Decent trade below this formation right here, which is going to come in at 44.1970 to 44.2230. Plus 2.6 per hour, starting at 6 o'clock p.m. That'll warrant decent pressure. I would also be cautious of possible exhaustion that we're coming up to macro exhaustion at 45.3210. And in the Bitcoin, been bullish overall from 16,275. We've seen 110,965 to the upside. A lot of other bullish calls in here I won't go over. Then we got bearish below 124,228. We saw 43,478 to the downside. A number of other lower time frame calls in here. And then the trade above 87,930 projects this upward 4,700 minimum, 6,800 plus maximum. And the trade above 88,540 projects this upward 5,000 minimum, 2,300 plus maximum. Those are going to be shaved slightly because it's moved down a bit overnight. If we fail below the upper of these right here, which is going to come in at 88,232 minus 30 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, that will warrant a decent pressure. Bear with me a moment. A decent penetration in there overnight is going to be 17.15, and thereafter tomorrow morning's open will be 15.15. Maintain gap higher tomorrow would be bullish as well. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you have a good evening, and I'll see you on tomorrow's podcast.